Hey everybody, Ray O'Brien here. Welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. So 2020 has been a pretty sucky year. I don't get it like I used to. I mean, trying to be safe and not travel around like I used to. I mean, it used to be fun to go to the liquor store on the weekends, get free samples and check around and find out the different prices of everything. I even made friends with the Maker's Mark girls one day. Got myself some hand-dipped glasses. Can't beat that, but hey. But you know, I had to clean out my kegerator. Had some beers in there that were getting kind of old, and I wanted to clean the kegerator out. My wife said, "Tell me, you gotta clean the kegerator." Finally, I'm listening to her, and I cleaned it out. And when I was there, I was able to get the deposit on 2 kegs. But did I take the money home? No. I used that and spent that much more on different liquors. So I want to tell you about my Binny's Fall 2020 haul. Not a case. I didn't get a case of Milagro. I got a bunch of different liquors, which I want to tell you about each one of them. But I want you to stick around till the end, because I'm going to show you a couple of really cool bar gifts that my wife got me, and she gave me early for my birthday. She gave me early because she couldn't take it anywhere. And they're pretty cool, and you're going to like those. So stick with me. I'm going to tell you about each one, and we'll go through each one. But some I am going to do things on. So I'll give it in just a bit. So the first thing I got is, you got certain things you run out on, and you got to get backups on, okay? The first one I got is Smith & Cross Potsteal Jamaican rum. This is an excellent Jamaican rum. Very hot, got a lot of funk to it. It's a little bit overproof. It's 57% ABV, which comes over above 100, which makes it overproof. So this stuff, this is something you should always have on hand. I think I tried it. I like my Mai Tais in shooting pool, and it goes great in a Mai Tai. Okay? This is Smith & Cross, makes an excellent rum. I'm going to do a review on this, so be watching for that. I did a review on this, but I like it so much, I was using a bunch of stuff, and it ran out. Sammy Hagar's Beach Bum Macadamia Nut Rum. This stuff is excellent. I showed it to my friends Boris and Urata. Urata was drinking it straight. She liked it so much. This stuff is stupendous. This stuff, I made a chocolate nut cocktail that is really good. I'll put a link for that on the end of the video. You gotta check that out. That's excellent. This also is really good as a topper. Like some people like Myers rum or like dark rum as a topper on some drinks. This works just as well, if not better. That's why I was running out of it. So check out Sammy Hagar's Beach Bar Macadamia Nut Rum. I want to say like $25. This I kind of ran out on. I had to get another bottle. The rumchata was only like $20, and they had like this little cute rumchata limon sample, free sample. So I want to check out the free sample, rumchata limon. I'm sure I could probably think of some different cool drinks to make with that. Okay, so rumchata and rumchata limon sampler, $20. Can't beat that. I had to give me some more Jameson Cold Brew. Jameson Cold Brew is Jameson whiskey and Arabica bean coffee. I did a review on this. You might want to check that out. I wanted to get something done for National Coffee Day, which was yesterday, but I didn't get it done in time. But I'm going to mix this with a few other different things. Maybe some cognac, maybe some other things. I'll make a couple of good drinks with, okay? So keep an eye out for that, my friends. But Jameson Cold Brew, $23. This is the Belton mint chocolate whiskey. But this stuff is really good by itself. I put it in a White Russian. You can check out that video. I put it in a White Russian. It was good. But I'm going to put in some ice cream, man. My wife got a Wolfgang Puck ice cream maker, and I'm going to make some mint chocolate ice cream. She made some mint chocolate ice cream. I thought to myself, you know what? This would be good if it was boozy. So I'm going to make some boozy mint chocolate ice cream. It's going to be good, man. You wait for that. Just keep your eye out. I'm going to win one of those. That's going to be so good. That's going to be so good. Okay, what else you got in there, Ray? I got some Old Camp Peach Pecan whiskey. This is from your Florida Georgia Line boys. This is their product. And all these celebrities are all signing on to different liquors. This is their whiskey. It was $17, and there was 2 off because I had a Binny's card. So $15, man. You can't go. How can you beat that? Get out with the gifts, Ray. I want to see them cool gifts. Okay, so check this out. So my wife, I don't give her enough credit. You know, I love she's gotten almost all the good, cool stuff in this bar. And again, she gave me 2 really cool gifts. This is the Noser first stainless steel nosing whiskey glass. Check that baby out. Stainless steel inside. Enhances the complexity of whiskeys. Okay, I look forward to that. You can use that for a couple of taste tests, huh? So that's your first. That's my gift. My birthday is still next month, but she was killing her. She had to get those. She had to get them pretty early. But also check this out. This is a little pocket infuser. Okay, the Tastemaker pocket infuser. I mean, whereas usually you'd have to wait like days at a time, almost, weeks, whatever, to infuse something. This infuses it overnight. It starts infusing in as little as 5 minutes. What you do is you put all your stuff in there, you put your fruits or whatever, put a lot of stuff in your infuser thing, and then you put this bottle on top of the other bottle, and it infuses this stuff. And says, put the stuff in there, wait overnight, and then come back and it's infused. That sounds pretty cool. That'll be good. Well, I'm definitely going to make some videos with me using this, okay? Do me a favor, send me back a comment and let me know if you tried any of these liquors. I mean, I certainly would like you to subscribe to me, hit the bell when you subscribe, because then you can see all the videos and then you're notified when I put out new videos. But send me back a comment and let me know if you tried Old Camp, Belton, JMO, Jameson Cold Brew, Sammy's Beach Bar Macadamia Nut, Smith & Cross, or rumchata. Okay? So get back to me. Let me know if you tried any of those and how you like them. Okay? So, like I said, my friends, just remember, at the end of the day, it's all about the cocktail. I'll catch up with you just in time for the next round. I'll see you later.